I know, it's the third time you've told me.
Well, the food's late. God help you.
Beautiful, I don't need a pamphlet. It's not brain surgery. They're just kids, for God's sake. It's not brain surgery. They're just kids, for God's sake. It's not brain surgery. They're just kids, for God's sake.
Huh? Oh, I'm sorry.
Man, this is not brain surgery we're going through.
Pitching these Japanese guys makes me so nervous.
I mean, they've always been wound a little tight, but I've never seen them like that. Then again, who am I to judge?
You mean people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw soda cans?
Okay, you have got to know that I only get that angry around Carl. He just treated me so badly at the end. I haven't been able to get past it.
You mean people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw soda cans? You mean people who live in glass houses shouldn't throw soda cans?
How long before this place hits the headlines?
You're telling me how to conduct my affairs?
All I'm saying is you live in a glass house.
Then let's leave it at that, shall we?
You like Alfred Hitchcock? But they're doing a retrospective down at the Rialto.
I'm gonna put this in plastic for you.
I'm not really a fan.
Oh, come on. How can you not like Hitchcock?
I just, don't. I'm not really a fan. I'm not really a fan.
You don't talk much.
Not a fan.
Talking?
Not a fan of talking, no.
Oh, great, he's here.
You know Enzo?
Yep. Not a fan.
What are you doing here?
I have to say, the circumstances speak for themselves. I've taken a strong stand with my company.
There's something you want to ask me?
The circumstances speak for themselves. The circumstances speak for themselves.
We're here at this camp selling ourselves.
Character speaks for itself. People want a president they can trust.
No, they don't. They want a president they know.
Yes, a compliment. Well, I think the numbers in our new prospectus speak for themselves.
I wanted to sit around and wait for nothing. I could do it on the can. You're late. What's with the face?
I screwed up. I broke into the Frome house and almost got caught.
What's with the face? What's with the face?
We're in this booth and I'm not dealing with that. What's with the sad face? Saw the bathroom.